Customer needs the finance, and every customer wanted to uh, upgrade their financial systems, upgrade their financial department. So SAP gives this opportunity for them to upgrade themselves. So, do you have some understanding about the ERP or sort of things?
Yeah, absolutely. I understand fully about the ERP platform and SAP, and we integrate with SAP Finance and Master Data, all sorts. So I understand that, but this is a good information to get the context. So
Okay,
please continue.
okay, great. So SAP FI, the SAP S/4HANA is the latest version, and SAP, a company like a Maruti company or HDFC or Apollo company, every company who are already using SAP ECC, they want to migrate to SAP Finance with the SAP S/4HANA, because S/4HANA is the latest version, which it gives a lot of new features, and also it is adding the new AI and machine learning in the software. So with this, what happens is the company will be able to manage better, and they'll be able to get the latest features, and they'll be able to get the migrate easily to the latest digital transformation actually. So a majority difference I could say, because this is about the finance. But what are you going to learn in finances? You're going to learn about the enterprise structure and the company, company code, business area, chart of accounts, general ledger accounting, accounts payable, account receivable, asset accounting, bank accounting and cash management, controlling, cost center, profit center, profitability analysis, integration with MMSD, PP, and SCM. So this course is going to take you from the basics to the real-time SAP FICO, which a companies are expecting from the pressure to experienced people. So we're not going to just cover theory also, we're going to cover the entire end-to-end practicals of it actually. And for example, since you already have some idea about the SAP ECC, I can talk about few differences which you can see in ECC and S/4HANA. Okay, so basically there is a differentiation, major differentiation. I'll just show you. So for example, this is a feature, and you'll see SAP ECC, the last version in SAP S/4HANA. And this is, for example, in the ECC. You already have some idea about the ECC? SAP? Have you worked
Yeah,
on it?
yeah, yeah, absolutely. ECC, yes, the HR model, and I'm aware of ECC, correct.
Yeah, yeah. So earlier ECC was dependent on the other database, which is your Oracle, SQL Server, your DB2, etc., etc. Because they used to store the customer data on the other databases. But right now SAP has come up with their own databases, which is called high performance analytical network application.
And I'm assuming this is the HANA database.
Yeah, database.
Okay.
And if you look about the architecture, what exactly things have changed is SAP ECC used to have the separate finance and cost table separately, but here it is only one universal journal. So there's a differentiation it actually got. So whereas it is adding all the different modules, MM, SD, ML, everything is into one table, all data into one table. So it's easy to manage.
Okay.
So, and also here the reporting of the financials. Earlier we used to have the batch based, and it was very slower because the update used to take a lot of time for the software to update it. But here it is all the real time analytics. And reporting is also happening within a span of seconds because the data is getting saved in the in memory. And here, earlier, the material ledger, it was optional in the ECC, but here now it is mandatory. So there are a lot of such features which is built in the SAP S/4HANA, and SAP covers all these modules, which is your enterprise structure, general ledger accounting, accounts payable, account receivable, asset accounting, bank accounting, and cash management, controlling, cost center, profit center, internal orders, profit analysis, all those things.
And I'm assuming this is what SAP and the finance model that you're teaching is focuses on these areas.
Yes, you're right.
Okay. But
It's
there
a
are other
pure finance
models as
model.
well, right? There are other models in
Yeah.
finance.
There are a lot of
Okay.
modules actually. So, for
Okay.
example, SAP is actually called the ERP software, and you see the SAP is being used by big companies like Apple, Coke, Nestle, Unilever, Shell, Deloitte, Walmart, Siemens. Every company uses the SAP Finance supply
Okay.
chain.
Okay.
So this is the entire landscape of SAP. You see the functional model, there are multiple models: MM, SD, PP, FICO, HCM, QM, PMP. I think you're working on the HCM, I believe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are going to talk about the finance. So there are a lot of other modules actually: platform extension, supply chain management, business networks. So many models are there.
Okay.
So, but I'm going to teach you only the SAP S/4HANA, which is the latest function, which is including your advanced AI capabilities, which is adding your artificial intelligence and machine learning,
Okay.
and a lot of flexibility, customization, real-time analytics, integration with non-SAP systems. There are so many things which the SAP HANA has brought in.
Okay. Including integration, I'm assuming you'll cover that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is what you're going to learn in the SAP. You're about the general ledger accounting, accounts payable, receivable, accounts asset accounting, bank accounting, controlling, financial closing and reporting. All these things you're going to learn in SAP Finance.
Yeah, one thing about bank account, obviously this doesn't cover payroll. There is separate model for it.
That's
I'm
SCM.
assuming.
HCM. Yeah, that is the human
Yes.
capital management. That covers the payroll.
Okay. But in S/4HANA, do they still have payroll
Yes, they
or
have.
they using Employee Central?
They have SCM. They have payroll.
Ah,
For
okay.
example,
But
let me
yeah,
show you the SAP.
because also I'm aware about Success Factor. Success Factor is mostly they have payroll model.
That's in ECC. S/4HANA has the HCM.
So S/4HANA also have an HCM model, which is outside Employee Central.
Yeah. So this is SAP S/4HANA 2023. So
Okay.
if you see here, you have the human resource here, HR, personal management, time management, payroll, organization, accounting. This is all I'm talking about the accounting here. Your financial accounting, okay? Your general ledger, account receivable, payable, bank, fixed assets, everything. This is
Okay,
what you're
but
going
if
to
you go to,
learn.
yeah, no, I got it. On the human resource model there that you were showing, you still have a payroll. Is that the ECC version or?
This is the
Because I
S/4HANA
think,
version. This is the S/4HANA version. If you see the here,
okay.
this is the S/4HANA. You see?
Yeah, yeah, okay, I
This
see.
is
But
SAP S/4HANA.
I want to leverage your experience. Most client we work with, they use Employee Central payroll,
So
which
do you
is
want to
a cloud
learn
solution.
SAP payroll or you want to learn SAP finance?
No, no, I want to start with the finance. Just I was asking, uh, just to understand as for HANA landscape a little bit
Ah,
more.
okay, okay. Got it, got
Yeah,
it. No problem. We'll cover
yeah,
that. We'll cover that.
I know it's okay. But thanks for the context. It's really helpful.
Okay. Any more questions I can answer?
No, no, continue. Sorry for the interruption.
No, no. I think this is all because this is what we're all about talking about.
Yeah.
Your history of SAP and what I'm going to cover. and this is what we're going to cover here.
Also, the
SAP.
demand is high. You covered that little bit. Expand on that one. I don't. So everybody has to, I think, migrate, right, by 2030.
Yeah, 2027. Yeah.
2037. Okay.
So we're going to cover all this benefits of